Have you ever felt surrounded by noise? Everyone talking, posting, showing, but no one growing. Real transformation doesn't happen in public. It happens in silence. When you disappear from the world, you start to hear your own voice. And that voice, if you listen closely, can take you further than you ever imagined. Most people never learn this. They chase validation, attention, applause. But the ones who truly evolve, they disappear first and then reappear unrecognizable. If you're ready for your own transformation, start with these books, each one summarized in depth on my channel, so you can absorb their wisdom faster and live it deeper. Let's talk about book number 1, Meditations, written by Marcus Aurelius. Picture the most powerful man in the world, an emperor, writing not about power, but peace. Meditations teaches one lesson. You can't control what happens, only how you respond. You have power over your mind, not outside events. When you disappear, observe instead of reacting. Train your mind to stay calm in chaos, because that's where true strength begins. 2. The Psychology of Money. Best book by Morgan Housel. While Meditations masters your mind, this book masters your relationship with wealth. Money isn't about intelligence, it's about behavior, patience, discipline, emotional control. As others flash success, you quietly build it. Don't chase fast money. Build quiet wealth. When you reappear, your stability will speak louder than their noise. 3. Deep Work, written by Cal Newport. The world rewards distraction. People scroll their dreams away. Deep work revives the art of pure concentration. To produce at your peak level, you must give full attention to one task at a time. When you disappear, train your focus like a muscle. Silence everything that pulls you away from mastery. Every minute of distraction steals a piece of your greatness. Next one is Start With Why, a masterpiece of Simon Sinek. After you master focus, you must discover purpose. Why do you wake up? Why do you chase success or wealth? People don't follow what you do. They follow why you do it. Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion. During your disappearance, dig for your why. When you return with purpose, you'll move like a storm. Calm, clear, unstoppable. Now it's time to act. How to Make Money Online with ChatGPT. It is our 5th book. In today's world, creativity is currency. AI is your partner, not your enemy. This book teaches how to turn knowledge into income, ideas into action, and time into freedom. The internet is your empire. If you learn to use it with wisdom and purpose, your systems will work even while you rest. The world doesn't need more noise. It needs people who found strength in silence, who read, learned, built, and came back unstoppable. Those who once ignored you will now ask how you did it. And your answer will be simple.